not. But you're right.
So Justin Avila with a shot to center field, coming over in the alley and making a diving catch for the out is Alarcio. And wow, have we seen some defensive plays tonight by this Mid-Pacific team.
Well, they are not afraid to slap a little leather out there, not afraid to leave their feet. Both of these clubs, we've seen it at third base, we've seen it in the outfield. I mean, they have made some plays that have been do or die, and you know, it could haunt them if they miss this, but they have been on point, grabbing it every time.
Look at this, just laid out and picks it right off the turf. Mid-pack, and so for our Taco Bell play of the game, it's time to ring the bell, and we do it for the defense. This is a great play. We actually had a lot of choices out there, but this is the center fielder coming over, and that's Alarcio. That guy's got some good feet, and he read that one, and that was just a great play, Marcus.
Oh, fantastic. And you look at that dive, I'd give him about a 9.9 if I was scoring on that dive. I mean, good execution. Didn't have his feet together, but I mean, everything else was perfect. I mean, hands out in front like that so you don't get your fingers underneath you and get them broken.
Yeah, nice job of backing up his pitcher. So again,